everyone, welcome to day 4. Today our focus is on strengthening the core. And if we strengthen the core, we're going to find better stability and balance in our lives. So let's go ahead, spread those toes, press those feet into the earth. Let's have the knees on top of the ankle, the shoulders stacked on top of the waist. Draw the belly in, and let's go ahead and lift all the way up through our chest. And I want you to imagine that somebody is pulling you at the top of your head with a string, like you are a marionette. So you're lifted and lengthened. We're going to engage our core muscles. Now, because we're working on our core, if at any time you feel uncomfortable, we're going to stop, or we're going to slow down, or we're just going to find our groove and do what's best for you. Remember, it's your practice, your yoga. Let's go ahead and place our hands on top of the thighs and do a few grounding breaths, okay? So you may close your eyes for this portion. Inhaling here, exhaling out, inhaling, exhaling. Notice how you feel. Inhaling, exhaling, arriving on your chair in this room and in this moment. Inhale. Let's go ahead and exhale out. Well done. If your eyes were closed, go ahead and open them up. Let's take the arms all the way up. Inhale, lift up, and then exhale, take your hands to the heart. We'll just do a couple of these, expanding our lungs, expanding our breath. In, exhale out. One more. Inhale, engage your belly as you do this, and then exhale, breathe out. Perfect. Let's go ahead and take our hands on top of the thighs for a seated cow. So open up the chest, roll the shoulders back and down. Exhale, round the back, seated cow pose. Cat pose, rather. Inhale, this is cow. Open up. Exhale to a cat. Meow, meow, meow. Reach, reach, reach the fingers around the back. Okay, one more time, breathing in, cow pose, and exhale, cat. Breathe out. Okay, go ahead and come back to neutral spine. We're gonna engage those belly muscles, lift up through the crown of the head, plant that left foot down into the earth. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and lift up the right knee. Good, and release. Let's do the other side. Plant that right foot down, engage the belly, lift the other leg. Good. Press down, lift. Now we're going to inhale as we press down, exhale, crunch. Good. Breathing in and exhale, crunch. Now do you need to hold on to the chair as you do this? Breathing in, breathing out. Or do you want something more? Inhaling, arms up, pressing down, exhale, hands come down. Knee comes up. Breathing in, arms up, pressing down into that foot. Exhale, lifting up. Tight belly, supporting the spine. Again, breathing in, exhale, breathe out. Inhaling, exhaling. So find what's best for you. Are you holding onto the chair or are you lifting your arms up? Breathing out. Inhale, there's no right or wrong way to do this. Breathing out. Inhale, tight belly, breathing out. Inhale, you may relax on the inhalation, and then breathe out, crunch, crunch, crunch. Good. Breathing in, breathing out. Last one here, in and out. Perfect. We're gonna release, arms up, and hands to the heart. Awesome. Now take your hands back down. We're gonna extend the leg out, so see how you feel. Hands here, hands onto the chair, or maybe we're gonna extend the arms up. So let's just start with the hands down. Okay, planting again that left foot down into the earth. We're going to breathe in, and then exhale, extend, release. Breathing in, exhale, extend. So connecting breath with movement. Inhaling, press, exhale, extend. Okay, tight belly, breathing in, exhale, extend. Okay, so inhale, maybe arms up. Exhale, extend. Good, tight belly, breathing in. Exhale, extend. Chest up, back straight, tight belly. In, exhale, extend. Inhaling, exhale, extend. So find the best position for you, for your arms. In, breathing out. In and out with the breath. Inhale, tight belly. Exhale, make sure you're not crunching down. Okay, chest up, breathe in. Exhale, breathe out. Inhale, last set. Breathe out. Breathing in, tight, tight belly. Breathe out. Well done. Inhale, arms up. And then exhale, hands to the heart. Arms out, all come up on the sides. Breathe in. And then exhale, breathe out. Well done. We're gonna take our hands to the sides. Now we have to work on these side muscles, our obliques, okay? And I want you to, from here, you can take your hands down to the sides. I want you to lift up nice and tall and then sway a little to the side. Ooh, good. Now to come back up to center, we're gonna tighten belly, come on up, and go to the other side. How does this feel? Do you wanna try it with your arms up? Taking the arms up also may increase your heart rate, so a little mini cardio bit here. Inhale, exhale to the side. Good. Tight belly, press up. Breathe in, exhale. Now breathe in, tight belly, come on up. Good. In and exhale, release. Inhale, tight belly, come on up. Breathing in and release. Breathe out. Relax a little. Now, breathe in. Exhale. Tight, 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 tight. Good. And let's release. Woo. Well done. Take your hands on top of the thighs. Open up for a seated cow pose. Exhale for a seated cat. Okay, 2 more, please. Breathing in and out. Really round that spine. Really articulate it. Get that tailbone sticking out. In and out. Well done. That was day 4. Let's take our hands together. Let's thank ourselves for taking the time to do something wonderful for our mind, body, and spirit. Well done, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on day 5. Namaste.